Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's booty lift workout comes from our Home for the Holidays series. We'll work on lifting and toning the bum with effective floor exercises. If you get an amazing booty burn with me today, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's grab a mat and get to work. All right, guys, we are going to get started with our shoulder pulls kneeling position. Up and around with those shoulders, scoop the belly in, tall through the chest. Inhale and exhale out. Lift and then press back. A couple more here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Take that kneel press and then squeeze the gluteals to the top. Down, just warming up through the thighs and the gluteals here. Inhale. And then squeeze at the top. Breathe, inhale, and then exhale out. Press, lower, and lift. All the way down, hover through those legs, and then squeeze at the top. Lower, and lift. Make sure that you have that strong contraction to the top range of motion. Down, and exhale, lift. Press, lower, and lift. Hold right there. Give me a little tiny pulse right here. Pulse. Lift. Up. Press. One last one. Setting up right away into our quadruped from here. So those wrists, they go directly underneath the shoulders. Knees go directly in alignment with your hips. We take your pretzel, tricep, extend it back, come back into that tricep. So 1, 2, 3, bring it back to center. Pretzel, tricep, extend. And I really want you to try to find the hook behind that kneeling leg. Cross, 2, 3, bring it in. So we cross, tap it, extend, reach. Again, inhale, and then exhale. Make sure that you're lifting up and out through the shoulder joint. So you don't want to slump here. I want you to come up and out of your shoulders the entire time. And then keeping that core contracted here as well. You're going to work through the oblique here as well. Inhale, exhale, cross hook, press, reach. Give me one last one here. Inhale, and then exhale out from here. Curl your toes under. We pulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 fire hydrants. Up, lift, and lift. We take it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 4, 3. Flex through your foot here. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flex it up. 4, 3, 2, tabletop position. Lift, hovering quadruped right here. Lift and lift. 4, 3, 2, repeat it. Here we go. Up, scoop the belly in. Strong core. So we're not just working the glutes here, we're also getting a nice core work as well. Lift. 4, 3, 2, last one, we take a big circle around into a side kick. Big circle, side kick. Up and around. If you need to take any of these exercises in a forearm, that's absolutely fine. Maybe you have a wrist injury. You can take that modification today. Stay lifted through the chest. No collapsing. Reach. So big giant circle in that strong strike out right into the center of the room. Press. So again, that right oblique is working hard as well here. Press. That kneeling glute is going to get a lot of work as well. So working both gluteals at the same time. Press. Lift it. Up, extend, press, reach. One last one. We've got a double tap rainbow. Down for 2. Lift. Pulse, pulse, lift. So you can be either down on the forearms for this, or if you wanted to stay lifted, you can. I think coming down to the forearms helps us to get out of the back. So I don't want you arching with your back like this. Keep the back nice and lengthened. Scooping the belly in. Double tap, press. That thigh is going to work as well. Kneeling thigh might start to feel this as well. Press. Double tap, rainbow. You could even take this out to one arm extended out gently to the side body. Press, lift, scoop navel in, press. One last one. Tap, bring it back into center. We have our other side to do, quadruped position. Scoop the belly in. We've got the pretzel coming up. Pretzel, tricep, extend and press. Again, pretzel, tricep, extend it back, pull it back in. Cross. I want you to find that hook. Really finding the position where the body needs to be to find that gluteal contraction here. Up and press. So really being mindful of the shapes that we're moving into today. Push, press, cross it, tricep, extend, press. Feel the lengthened position as you reach your toe tip to the back wall. Press, in, squeeze. And if you don't feel the gluteal, then I really want you to put your mind into the gluteals, contracting, fierce contraction through those glutes. Press, in, squeeze, up and around, press, dropping shoulders down here, out, in, hovering quadruped right here. 4, 3, 2, 1, take it up. 4, 3, 2, or fire hydrant. Lift, 2, 3, press, up for 4 times. Lift, lift, lift. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it up. Try to find that parallel shin. Up, 2, 3, 4. Fire hydrant up. Exhale and breathe. Soft bend through those elbows. Lift. No hyperextension here. And press for 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. 4, 3, 2. Last one, we've got that big circle. Big circle. Side kick it out. Big circle. Kick it right through center. Up and around. Breathe. Kick. Up and around. Strike it side. Reach. Kick. Up. Stretching through the toe as much as you can. Really finding the length within our bodies today. Starting to feel that burn here. Up and around. Press. Reach. So we don't need any equipment to do these exercises. We can get them all with calisthenic work. Press. Reach. Up and around. Remember, if you need to drop down into an elbow, that's always an option. One last one. Press. Bring it down into those forearms. Double cross. Lift rainbow. So double tap into your rainbow. Reach through the back of the knee. And press. Up and out of the shoulder joints. Lift. Remember, no arching. It's not about the height of your leg. It's really about finding the gluteal contraction here. So you don't want to sacrifice your form just to get your leg high. I'd rather see your leg low in proper form rather than getting into that low back. Press. Double tap On this one, you are gonna feel a bit of that quadricep. It's okay, we're working that lower body, getting a strong, lean lower body. Press, lift it up. One more round right here. Double tap it, lift, and reach. Finding your child's pose from here. Sink your hips into your heels. Feel that gorgeous stretch running through the glutes. Exhale. Press, maybe reaching those arms to the side of the mat. Taking the top arm over to feel a deeper stretch through the body. Inhale, exhale. Take it to the opposite side. Reach and lengthen here. Taking that top palm up and over. Sinking your hips to the corner. And then we'll reach back into center. Exhale.